these words and listen to the sound in the final position. Now, where's final going to be?
First.
No.
Last.
The end, right? Okay, so listen to the sound in the final position. Number. Echo the word for me.
Number.
Letter.
Otter.
So now, Rule, what sound did you hear in the final position?
R.
Right?
Yes.
Let's look at these words and see if we can figure out what is making the sound. What do you think is making the sound?
ER.
Very good. Did you guys learn about ER last year?
Yes.
Do you remember what it's called?
Diagraph.
No, it's not a digraph.
Oh,
It is a
combination.
Combination is two letters that come together to make an unexpected sound. Okay? They come together to make an unexpected sound. Do you remember how we code combinations?
Underline them.
No, we're not going to underline it.
Put that little underline brief under it.
Yeah, it's called an arc. We're going to put an arc under it. So we'll just go ahead and put an arc under all of these combinations. There we go. All right. Now, let's see if we can finish coding these words. Now, the E, we're not going to put anything above it because we already know what sound it's making just because we have an arc. So, Tate, you want to come code this first word for me? Let's see if we can figure out how to code the rest of that. Start by finding your vowel sounds, right? Vowel sounds? There you go. Just put it underneath the arc. Here, let's put it, just to make it easier to read, yeah, we'll put it down there. There you go. Okay, then your consonants between, and then divide it. Very good. Yep, we're not going to do anything to the E because it's already got the arc. You got one more thing you need to do. Okay, so what is that word?
Number.
Can you use that word in a sentence?
I love the number 1.
Very good. Okay, Maya, will you come do this one? What do we need to do?
I think you put it up.
Well, you got to find your vowel sounds first. This is still making a sound. It's just an unexpected one now, so we still have to... Okay. Now, we're going to divide it. Got one more thing. Okay. What is that word? Letter. Very good. Can you give me a sentence with the word letter? Very nice. I love the letter A. All right, Rule, I'm going to see if I can figure out how maybe I can move this down.
That's cool.
Aha! Look at that.
Yay!
Rule is a genius. All right.
You're a genius.
Rule, can you come code this last one? I'm pretty proud of myself for that. I'm not going to lie.
Ow.
Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is find your vowel sounds. Good. Okay, and then where are you going to divide it?
Gosh, that's hard.
Okay, and you got one more thing you need to do.
That's the way it's even up.
Do it. That'll work. I know what it means. Okay, here, give me your pen. What is that word, Rule?
Otter.
No. Look at it again.
Otter.
Otter. What is an otter? Can you use it in a sentence?
There is otters on the world.
Yeah, there are definitely some otters in the world. Very nice. Very good. Okay. So let me see. Let's see if the vibrates our voice. Can you say It does, doesn't it?
Yes.
Okay. This sound is voiced because the voice box vibrates. Sometimes you will see words in which the letters ER are followed by another R. Like this word. Oh, let's try again. That's not very pretty. I'm going to go ahead and code this one real quick. I've got my digraph CK. What else do I need to do to that?
Cross out the C.
Cross out the C. Good. And now we're going to find our vowel sounds. We've got a V here, some consonants in between. Then we usually divide it where?
In the middle.
Between the consonants. Okay, I've got a vowel followed by a consonant, so I'm going to code that with a breve. And up here, it's a little bit different since there's that extra R. I'm going to code this with a breve too. So, this word, let's see if we can read it with the way I coded it.
Derek.
Derek. Derek. De-er-ick.
That could be a boy's name.
Derek. In the word Derek, the letters ER are followed by the letter R, so the vowel E makes a short vowel sound. So just remember, if you see a combination like ER, or we'll learn some other R ones like AR, IR, that kind of stuff. If you see one of those and there's another R right after it, it might not be working as a combination. We may have to look at it a little bit differently. Okay? All right. So that is going to be all we're going to do on our video. We will practice some more words before we split up into our groups. You guys have done pretty good. Let me see if you guys can figure out what our new picture card is going to be while I have you here. It's something that you would have maybe at your dinner table. You put it on bread. What do you think, Maya?
Butter.
Butter. So we're going to have a new picture card that is butter. All right. I will see you guys at the table after we practice some more words.